बहुत सारे बच्चे भी और प्रोफेशनल्स भी स्ट्रगल अ लॉट with time management, especially when it comes to a panic situation or when there are lots of tasks at hand. So to handle this, we have a very powerful tool. It's called Eisenhower matrix, which helps us prioritize our tasks and divide our tasks in small chunks and helps us understand कि अभी कौन सा काम करना चाहिए पहले और बाद में कौन सा काम करना चाहिए. So this Eisenhower matrix divides our tasks into 4 parts: tasks which are important and tasks which are not important. And then we have tasks which are urgent and then tasks which are not urgent. Before we begin, it's important to understand कि important tasks हैं क्या. So important tasks are those tasks which are aligned and which are helpful for your long term journey. जो आपके future goals को, जो आपके career को, जो आपकी jobs को, आपके studies को, आपके generally life plans को in a longer run help करें. Those are your important tasks. जो इसमें आपको aid नहीं कर रहे, those are less important tasks. So पहली matrix हमारे पास important और urgent task का box है. इसमें for example, if your house is on fire, so obviously there is nothing more important than this. It has to be done. सबसे पहले यही करना पड़ेगा. आपका कोई करीबी relative कोई बीमार है, उनको आपको डील करना होगा, right? So that is the second thing. इसी तरह से कि आपकी urgent deadlines हैं. You have an exam tomorrow. This is your important and urgent task. This has to be done now. Your task is to do these tasks ASAP. Leave everything else. लेकिन ideally your goal should be to minimize the task in this box. That is when you will be most productive. अगर आप आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अपने task को minimize करते रहेंगे, and these should be shifted in this box. Tasks which are important but not urgent. These are the tasks जो कि आपको schedule करने होते हैं, जो कि आपको plan करने होते हैं. Let's say you'll do them on Monday morning, Tuesday evening, Wednesday noon. इनमें वो tasks आते हैं जो कि important हैं लेकिन urgent नहीं हैं, which are important for your overall well-being, आपकी health के लिए, आपकी career के लिए, आपके relationships के लिए. So you need to schedule your task over here. This box is where you should ideally be spending most of your time in. Alright? और जो most effective लोग हैं और जो most productive लोग हैं, they spend most of their time in this box, so that आपने अपने tasks को manage इस तरह से करना है, उनको plan इस तरह effectively करना है कि वो urgent वाले box में आ ही ना रहे हों. Before it becomes a firefighting situation, you already have dealt with them. So that is where these tasks come in, and you need to schedule them and follow the schedule accordingly. उसके बाद हमारे पास tasks हैं which are not important but urgent. ये पसूड़ियाँ होती हैं. These eat up your time and these make you suffer a lot because you're spending a lot of your time and energies and efforts in those tasks जो कि आपको future में long term में फ़ायदा नहीं दे रहे, but they are soaking up your time. इस तरह के tasks को ideally delegate कर देना चाहिए if possible. जैसे आपने bill pay करने जाना है कहीं पे, उसमें 2 घंटे लग जाएंगे. Obviously 2 सालों बाद, 5 सालों बाद आपको इसका कोई long term फ़ायदा नहीं है. अगर आप ये डेलीगेट करके किसी और से भी करवा लेंगे तब भी काम चल जाएगा, राइट? या फिर आपने कोई टिकट्स बुक करनी है, राइट? मेहमान आ गए, उनको डील करना है. तो ऑब्वियसली दीज आर अर्जेंट टास्क, लेकिन दे डू नॉट अलाइन विद योर लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स, सो you should delegate these tasks. And I think you can easily imagine tasks which are not urgent and not important, these should be avoided. Alright, social media check करना है, ठीक है, आपने wardrobe set करनी है, deep clean करना है अपने house को अपने, तो these tasks will waste a lot of your time, will not help you in the longer run. So when you are in a time crunch, उनमें these type of tasks should be avoided. So whenever you have 10 things to do, list them down, place them in the relevant boxes, will help you decide कि अभी आपको कौन सा task prioritize करना चाहिए, कौन सा आपको फिलहाल नहीं करना चाहिए. I hope that helps. Thank you.